Welcome back. Well, the holidays are heading our way, and though they can be filled with smiles and pleasant memories, not everyone shares those same experiences. And tonight, we'll focus on helping children. Joining us now is Heidi Woods. She's a mindfulness educator and a panelist on one of our KX town halls. Heidi, what sort of mental health concerns do young people struggle with leading up to and during the holidays?
Well, I think it's very similar to adults. You know, there could be a feeling of stress, maybe isolation, sadness. Given the year we've had, I think, whether it's a day in September or getting closer to the holidays, our kids are definitely feeling the stress of the year as well.
And it's kind of hard to ignore what's going on in our world right now. But despite that, what can spark an unpleasant holiday season for kids beyond not getting what they want under the tree?
Sure. I think there's a number of things that kids can experience just given the different family dynamics. So maybe it's not seeing certain family members at Christmas just due to the nature of, what we're experiencing, or maybe if there's a co-parenting situation, having to go between homes, or sometimes comparison. I didn't get this thing I wanted and this, a friend of mine did. I think comparison can really be the thief of joy. So really focusing on the simplicity of the specialness of the holidays is important.
So that is really a major factor, the comparison between, hey, he got this but I didn't.
Yeah, I think back to when I was a kid, I would get something really special and I loved it. And then I would talk to my friends later on, after the holiday break or by phone, and they would get something bigger. And then it made my thing seem not so special. So really staying focused on what matters most. And this year, I think we're all recognizing that it's family and it's our health and it's the little things.
Well, as you know, we've reported on the fact that the pandemic has played such a major role in mental health concerns. So what are some things that can be done leading up to the holiday breaks to help the children in our families?
I think just managing our own stress as adults and as, teachers, all of the people that our kids come in contact with, I think, we're all excited for a bit of a break. And so really managing your own stress is first and foremost, because kids do pick up on the nervous systems of the adults around them. But I always say presence over presence. And what I mean by that is being with your kids, spending that time, putting together a gingerbread house, decorating the tree, keeping some of that normalcy in their lives is going to be really important. So if it's a holiday tradition to go look at holiday lights and get a hot chocolate and drive around town, to do those sorts of things as well.
Okay, Heidi Woods, thank you for all that information. We really appreciate it.
Thank you.